Engraving into glass seems like a fairly difficult task. However, with a Win rotary tool and a Win engraver, it's actually quite easy. As you probably already noticed, this is a video of me engraving a dog's face into a glass plate. Keep in mind this does not take any talent or skill. If it did, I probably could not do it. It's a great project for Boy Scouts or art classes, plus the plate can be a very thoughtful gift for Mama or Uncle Jimmy. For the dog plate, I only used the Win rotary tool, taking advantage of the included flex shaft, plus a round tip steel bit for the engraving. I first printed out a picture of a dog and then taped it face down to the glass plate. Make sure to tape the design onto the top of the plate facing downwards. That way all engraving occurs on the bottom of the plate. Then go ahead and start carving. The Win engraver works nicely to make a deep pathway if you have something with a distinctively thick outline, like this penguin that's waving hello. Yo, what's up, penguin? Once you have a deep groove created with the engraver, you can use the rotary tool to deburr the edges so it's nice and smooth. If you're going to try this at home, make sure to wear safety goggles and a dust mask, as the small glass filings are potentially dangerous to your eyes and lungs. Okay, let's check this thing out. And there you have it, a dog's face on a plate, just like I promised you. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. This is my second time doing this, so if I can do it, you can too. Man, that's a good looking dog.
Remember when.
we go. That's it.